Minnie, does your tummy hurt? What's the matter?
What's Minnie going to do? Her tummy, yeah.
Minnie, does your tummy hurt?
Yes, Dr. Daisy. I'm pretending to have a tummy ache.
Don't go away.
I see. Well, there's only one way to help a tummy ache. With a green apple, of course.
Ooh, I know where we can get green apples. Follow me.
Look.
Oh my goodness, there are so many different trees.
Well, we need the fruit tree that has green apples.
Which tree has green apples?
Right here.
That one. Wow, the green apples sure are high up there.
Then what should we do?
We're going to need a mouse-tool to help us reach them.
Everybody say, oh, toodles.
2 days.
A giraffe. A piggy bank. Or a magnifying glass. Which mouse-tool can help us reach high up in the tree? The giraffe. Right. We got ears. Say cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa. Okay, Mr. Giraffe. Now see if you can reach those green apples.
Oh no! The giraffe isn't picking the apples, he's eating them.
We started with 4 apples, but the giraffe just ate one. So how many apples are left? Only 3.
Oh, the giraffe ate a second apple.
What should we do? Huh?
Ooh, there's only 1 apple left.
Help me reach the last apple before the giraffe eats it. Reach 5.
Keep reaching. Ooh, he's almost there. Ooh.
Got it.
Wonderful.
Well, what do you know? We did it. We got the last green apple. Gee, thanks for helping.
Here you go, Minnie. 1 apple to make your pretend tummy ache feel better.